Welders, with its motto of being an arm to quality solutions, is India's leading manufacturer of resistance welding equipment and welding automation solutions. Established in 1977 in Pune, India, under the visionary guidance of Mr. Atul Khanderia and followed by the dynamic leadership of Mr. Brijesh Khanderia in 1998, we commenced with the manufacturing of specialized transformers for various industrial applications and further diversified to develop a range of resistance welding products. We have 2 factories spread over a 70,000 square feet production space, along with an addition of 10,000 square feet office space. We have sales and service offices in Delhi, Rudrapur, Jamshedpur, Chennai and Ahmedabad to cover all parts of India and with partners all over the world. We boast of our in-house designing team that finally formulates designs to reach the needs of our client as well as to attain the target of delivering customized solutions. With a team of about 150 skilled workmen and dedicated departments, we strive to prove our proficiency at all stages. Our product design team, along with development engineers and our very own research and development cell, ensures in-house design and development of products. In 2010, taking the high demand of efficiency and productivity into consideration, an automation division was formed. This facilitated to set up turnkey robotic and special purpose welding projects for our customers. Our major products involve manual IT weld guns. The integrated welding gun is specifically designed for ergonomic operation by the operator with minimum physical stress. The robotic spot welding guns are designed for both pneumatic and servo actuation. These guns are designed with modular configuration for standardization of parts for all variety of weld guns. Stationary spot and projection welding machines are designed to achieve maximum productivity with high number of spots per minute. The machine is available with different upgrades for achieving full proofing of various applications. Seam welding machines are available in both AC and MFDC power sources. These machines can be fitted with wheel dressing attachments, robotic, servo and pneumatic manipulators to avoid manual errors, promising high quality of leak-proof seam welding. Wire mesh welding machines are designed and developed for high productivity welding of wire mesh and poultry meshes. Our AC and MFDC welding controls are available with latest Industry 4.0 standard to provide real-time data of all the welding parameters for data analytics and analysis. Our automation division enables us to provide complete turnkey solutions for various industry sectors. We expertise in designing concepts based on customer manpower, budget and productivity. Taking the customer needs into consideration, an optimum customized design is created. The system is set up and undergoes trials at our factory before being dispatched. Post-proving at our factory, the setup is installed at the customer site. After commissioning at site, the customer is given a comprehensive training for production and maintenance. Through our products and automation systems, we are able to cater to different sectors of manufacturing like automotive, railways, furniture and general industry to increase their productivity and efficiency. Our 24-hour service helpline proves our ability to attend customer calls, ensuring immediate resolution to queries. We provide AMC services, special training sessions and syllabus to train customers, ensuring optimum use of products. We have a dedicated vendor development team with a strong vendor audit program to ensure maintenance of a high level of quality in manufacturing process. Each component is inspected thoroughly as per our quality assurance program, ensuring high reliability. All parts manufactured undergo strict quality checks with our calibrated measuring equipment and 3D inspection equipment. This results in high reliability of our products.